Okay, I'm gonna take this last question and I'm gonna turn off the live for today. Okay, next question. Mm, Uh, what's the best way to market your product in 2025? Okay, that's a great question. That's a great question, but normally this question is gonna take hours and hours to answer because this question is very, very wide. Because marketing and advertisement is very, very wide. But the question is very specific. What's the best way to market your product for 2025? I'm gonna give you an example for my case. Back to 2017, I had a perfume store. What I was doing at that time, I was focusing on articles, blogs, articles, all the informative pages. And at that time, this was driving me a lot of traffic. I got about 700 visitors per day in the first month. Why? Because at that time in 2017 there was no TikTok, there was no other famous app for shorts and reels. Instagram was not very good. YouTube, not a lot of people was watching YouTube. So people was focusing on information on Google. They type information they're looking for on Google and they land on some pages. And the competition was very low at that time. But now and beyond, now we are on October 2024. So for 2025 and beyond, uh, articles and blogs and all in the information, all the written or the information that you're gonna read are less and less famous. Why? Because now people are more into videos, are more into watching reels, watching shorts. Even on Facebook, now people watch reels. Uh, on YouTube, they watch shorts. On Instagram, they watch reels. And now people, they move to TikTok. So, in my opinion, if you want to build a strong business in 2025 and market it, try to focus on videos more than articles and informations that people can read. I don't say don't do it at all. This is gonna help you from another side. For now, for example, on Scoop or on winifires.com, the two businesses that I got, we do articles. Now it's about one article per week, but this help us gain some partners, and partners are one of the best ways to market your products, because when you partner with another business, it could be uh, so close or so related to your niche, they're gonna market your product and you're gonna market their product. So you're gonna do co-marketing. Co-marketing is so important, and a lot of brands, they come to you from articles, from Google, from search engines. This is really good, but it takes time. But the best way to market your product for the customers, I mean for the customers, not for the partners, is through videos. Try to make a YouTube channel. Now we have a lot of AI tools that's going to help you make reels or shorts for free. You can upgrade if you want. If you want to have the premium features to make some really cool and some professional and nice looking and attractive videos, so people can watch videos, they gonna enjoy their time while buying your product. Take an example for Winifires. Winifires, we sell custom t-shirts, some memes written on t-shirts, but on social media we don't put product to tell people, hey, please buy my product, because on social media people go there for entertainment. People go there to socialize with friends and families, to watch videos, reels, to enjoy time. They don't go, for example, people don't go to Facebook to buy. I don't go to Facebook to buy something unless I go to Facebook Marketplace to buy something. For example, if I want to buy a car, used car, I'm gonna go to Facebook Marketplace and I'm gonna type the name of the car. I'm gonna search the car that's near to me or near to my city where I live now. But generally, we go to social media for entertainment. 99% for entertainment, just 1% to buy some stuff. So try to focus on videos. Videos, that's so important. And if you have the budget, try not to forget about offline marketing, because now more people are focusing on paid ads on social media, etc., but they forget about offline. If you're not doing dropshipping, try to do offline. Some offline marketings are expensive. In my case, I've never done that, but if it's in your case, try, for example, to do billboards, do some ads on newspaper, some ads, I don't know, on grocery stores. You can see sometimes some ads on grocery stores, on universities. When I was studying in Canada, I saw some ads on the wall there, a lot of ads on wall. So this is also very important. I have never done that because now I work with international people, so doing kind of offline marketing here where I live now in Morocco, it's not going to work for me because I work with international customers. So this is my advice to you. And for paid ads, we're gonna pay to get some leads and potentially some customers. Instagram, TikTok, Google Ads. Try to do that. That's depend on your market and on your product. If you're selling high ticket items, products that are expensive, try to do Google Ads. If you are selling low ticket or medium ticket products, try to do Facebook ads and Instagram ads. But now the ads is very expensive, so try to find a way to reduce the paid ads. Another one which work every time, but this one takes time, is SEO, search engine optimization. This is my expertise. I apply that for my site, scope.com and winifiers.com. But as a non-tech guy, you can do it yourself. Uh, some some areas in SEO you can do it yourself. You can check my YouTube channel. There is a playlist where you can do some stuff yourself. This is gonna increase a little bit your organic traffic, but most of them they're gonna need some expertise and also some knowledge in development. Okay, so that was my answer to you. So to summarize this, try to focus on videos. Try to focus on videos for 2025 because this is what works the most. So I'm gonna close this live now. Thank you so much everybody for watching, for commenting and for asking questions. I'm gonna make probably a live on my YouTube channel next week. So just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe there, go to the live tab. You're gonna see the live event, the time and the schedule there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.